CEWIT is now offering digital badges for a growing number of experiences, which currently include completing an accelerator crash course, participating in the Emerging Scholars Research Experiences for Undergraduate Women, completing a CEWIT internship, and attending the CEWIT Summit. A digital badge, or eBadge, is an online endorsement of an achievement, skill, or credential. The digital badge is a visual image that you can display online to represent the knowledge or skills you have acquired. Earning an eBadge from CEWIT can benefit you as a student and can help you market your skills to potential employers. eBadges show potential employers that you have up-to-date and relevant skills that will help you succeed in the workplace. Future employers viewing these badges can see that you have the motivation to learn new skills, which makes you more valuable as an employee. Creating a CEW&t portfolio and earning an eBadge allows you to create an online resume that displays the accreditations that you have achieved within your professional field. This online resume, or e-portfolio, can be seen by your peers and prospective employers to show the work you have done to better yourself. Once you have been awarded these badges, you can download them to display in other online platforms. To earn these CEWIT digital badges, visit our website to learn more about these programs and courses that we offer.